Hello there, future innovators and business enthusiasts. The US government has recently pumped a staggering $52.7 billion into chip manufacturing. This isn't just a massive financial boost, it's a golden opportunity for forward-thinking entrepreneurs like you. Today, we're here to explore how you can leverage this cash injection into a thriving business opportunity. From identifying the right prospects to positioning your venture, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in and unearth the potential that lies beneath this silicon goldmine. Hey everyone, and welcome to the future. We're on the precipice of an exhilarating tech revolution, thanks to the CHIPS Act. This ambitious legislation aims to transform America into a chip-making powerhouse. We're not just talking about a handful of factories here and there, we're envisioning a nationwide metamorphosis that impacts everything from silicon sand to skyrocketing startups. So, strap in as we delve into this fascinating journey. Buckle up, because we're about to go from silicon sand to skyrocketing startups. Imagine $52 billion, all pumped into building American chips. That's the power of the CHIPS Act, a groundbreaking piece of legislation that's set to transform the tech landscape. Now, what does this mean? It's about more than just constructing shiny new factories known as fabs in every corner of the nation. It's about sparking a revolution in the way we think about and work with technology. Funding from the CHIPS Act is going to flow into research and development, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with chip technology. It's going to fuel workforce training, equipping the next generation with the skills they need to keep America at the forefront of the tech race. It's about combining the best of our brain power with the best of our building power to create something truly extraordinary. But it's not just about buildings, it's about brains too. R&D, workforce training, the whole shebang. This chip boom isn't a solo act, it's more like a symphony, a magnificent tech ecosystem bursting into life. Just think about it. Every shiny new chip needs a supporting cast. Material suppliers are the unsung heroes, providing the raw stuff that chips are made from. Testers are the meticulous maestros, ensuring each chip hits the right notes. And let's not forget the operational virtuosos, who keep everything humming along smoothly. But it's not just about the tech itself, it's also about the people behind the scenes. Data analysts are the detectives piecing together patterns to optimize processes. Cybersecurity experts are the guardians, keeping our technology secrets safe from prying eyes. And sustainability enthusiasts, they're the eco-warriors, figuring out innovative ways to recycle and repurpose those fancy chips. So you see, when we talk about a chip boom, we're really talking about an explosion of opportunities. Think data whizzes analyzing processes, cybersecurity ninjas guarding secret tech, and eco-warriors figuring out how to recycle all those fancy chips. So, you want to join the party? Think you need a mountain of cash to make your mark? Not so. This chip revolution is a hotbed for innovative niche ideas. You don't need a billionaire's bank account, just a brain buzzing with big ideas. Say you're a whiz at artificial intelligence. Why not develop a software that predicts when a chip-making machine needs a tune-up? Keeping the machines humming could save millions in downtime. Or perhaps you're passionate about sustainability. Could you create bio-based chemicals for chip making? That could slash our carbon footprint and make you the darling of eco-conscious investors. Whether your idea is technical, environmental, or something else entirely, there's a place for you in this revolution. So, dust off that dream and dive in. This is a world where David can outsmart Goliath, where the little guy with the big idea can triumph. Remember, small and scrappy can win big in this game. From Texas tech titans to Oregon's chip whisperers, each region has its own flavor. This isn't just about geography, but the unique blend of skills, talents, and opportunities each locale offers. In the heartland of Texas, there's a robust presence of tech giants, making it an ideal spot for supply chain startups. Up north, Oregon's tech scene is brimming with chip manufacturing, a haven for hardware enthusiasts. Moving west, California's Silicon Valley remains the undisputed king of design and innovation, perfect for those into testing and chip design. And let's not forget about the sun-drenched deserts of Arizona, a burgeoning hotspot for equipment manufacturing. But remember, it's not about following the crowd. It's about finding that sweet spot where your unique skills and interests intersect with the needs of the local market. So dig deep, do your research, find the gap in the local ecosystem, and fill it with your genius. And let's not forget the construction boom. With the rise of megafabs, we're witnessing a veritable gold rush for engineers, contractors, and logistics experts. Imagine drones buzzing over construction sites inspecting progress, Picture sustainable building materials becoming the norm, reducing our environmental impact. Envision software that tracks every brick, every bolt, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. It's an intricate dance of innovation and implementation, each move meticulously planned and executed. It's like building the future, one chip at a time. The CHIPS Act isn't just about chips. It's about jobs, innovation, and national security. This ambitious plan is a catalyst, sparking an incredible domino effect across the nation. It's about creating a ripple of opportunities that will extend far beyond the tech industry. Every chip produced, every fab built, every piece of software developed brings us one step closer to an America that's not just a consumer, but a creator of cutting-edge technology. This revolution isn't confined to the Silicon Valley or the tech titans. It's about the farmer in Iowa who now has access to advanced agritech, the teacher in Maine using AI to tailor education, the nurse in Texas leveraging telemedicine. It's about securing our digital borders, gaining an edge in the global tech race, and cultivating a resilient economy ripe with opportunities. So, whether you're a tech wizard, a construction champ, or simply someone who loves seeing America win, there's a place for you in this revolution. Dive into the details, research the opportunities, and unleash your inner chip champion. This isn't just about industry giants and tech tycoons, it's about you. It's about the ideas you bring to the table, the innovations you dream up, and the changes you want to see in the world. Think about how you can contribute to this tech revolution. Maybe you're the next great software developer, or perhaps you have a knack for designing efficient production processes. Or maybe you're passionate about sustainability and can find ways to make chip production more eco-friendly. Whatever it is, your ideas matter. Share them. Collaborate with others. Let's make America's chip comeback a reality, together. This is more than just a moment in tech history. It's a movement. It's a chance to shape the future. Remember, the future is made, not inherited. So let's get building. Thanks for joining me on this journey to the heart of America's tech future. Show your support by hitting like and subscribe. Remember, the dialogue doesn't end here. Let's keep the chip conversation rolling. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and stay on top of the tech wave.